Hey everyone, today we'll learn my favorite art form, which is quilling. We'll make a fridge magnet today, for which I have chosen this cardboard as my base. I will cover it up with this printed paper, and of course we will need a strong magnet to stick behind. Okay, I will also use a bunch of pollens in this project. Of course we will need glue. Initially, try to take a smaller bottle of glue because it's easier to work with it. Two most important parts of our project. First, the quilling strips. We will be using pink and grey quilling strips today. And of course, the tool, the quilling tool. If you see the quilling tool, it's divided into two parts. This is the base wherein we hold it, and this is the needle. Now, if you carefully see the needle, it has a slit on it wherein you insert the paper and then roll it up to give the desired shape. In case you do not have this needle, what you can do is take your regular pen refill, the open end of it, give it a slit. Now that is where you can insert your paper and use it as your quilling tool. So these are the basic things that we will need today, and let's begin.